Gia, you want to see what you got for Christmas? Kelly? Okay, sit down. Whoa. Okay. Sadie, sit down. Okay. You don't eat it, though. Let me help you. And then remember, you rip it open. Look, look, look. Go ahead. Rip. Rip. Tear. Tear it open. I know you're what you're gonna eat that, aren't you? No, good girl. Come on, tear it. Rip, 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 rip. Come on, let's see. Our videos can't last too long. No. No. Here. Come on. Rip. Rip. Rip it open. Rip it open. Go ahead. No, it's not to eat. Come on. Let's look. Ready? Ooh, pretty. Pants. Brown pants with cool buttons that you're going to put in your mouth right now, aren't you? Yep. And a sweater. Oh, it's upside down. Look at you. So cool. Kelly knows our style. And a shirt. Say. All right, move. Sadie, it's not for you. Okay. Say thank you. Gia. 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 Hello. Hello. No, we're not eating the paper. Say thank you. Say love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you.